The Tnt Equivalent Interactive Calculator solves a critical engineering problem, converting different forms of energy release into a standardized explosive equivalent. Whether you're analyzing industrial accidents, demolition projects, or safety distances, this tool provides consistent comparisons across multiple energy sources. Let's explore the 6 calculation modes. First is energy to Tnt equivalent, which converts raw energy values. Second, Tnt mass to energy released performs the reverse calculation. Third, chemical explosive to Tnt equivalent compares different explosive materials. Fourth, kinetic impact to Tnt equivalent analyzes collision energy. Fifth, nuclear yield conversion handles large-scale yields. Finally, blast overpressure at distance calculates pressure effects. For today's demonstration, we'll select kinetic impact to Tnt equivalent. Here's a practical example. Imagine analyzing a 1,000 kilogram object impacting at 500 meters per second. Enter 1,000 in the impact mass field and 500 in the impact velocity field. Click Calculate. The result shows this impact releases 125 megajoules of kinetic energy, equivalent to approximately 30 kilograms of TNT. This helps engineers understand that a 1-ton vehicle collision at highway speeds releases energy comparable to a significant explosive charge. The TNT equivalent mass output provides a standardized reference point that engineers universally understand. The energy released value shows the actual joules involved, while any pressure calculations indicate blast effects at specified distances. One critical insight: always verify your unit selections before calculating. Mixing metric tons with kilograms or confusing kilotons with kilograms leads to dangerous miscalculations in safety assessments. Find the link in the description below.